There's a tale to be told before we forget and other things take hold. I'm sure it happened on some foreign road, maybe Spain or France or somewhere old. Maybe I strayed a little from the track, and it seems remembering you find it in your heart to make a point of welcome me back. Forgive me for what it was I must have laughed, 'cause you were young then, you could understand. Now it's all gone, man. Outlaws making stands. But all that's what seems to pass when there's some history. Is there somewhere we could meet? I don't mean a cafe or a lobby or a street, just a point where we'll agree about those differences between you and me. 'Cause you were young then, you could understand. Now it's all gone, man. Outlaws making stands. But all that is what seems to pass when there's some history. I'm right, you're wrong. Let's face it, baby, that's the old song we're still singing. We were young then, with nothing more to lose than some confidence and the tales we had to use. Now who we are and what's the story gets confused. I guess that's history. Maybe that's probably history. Now we're history. Me and you. I was hoping you'd come back. I was looking for a chance to gather up some photographs and laughs to give to you. So I drove the long road back just to hear one last remark, or maybe an old gag, like they always get the fat guy in the end. In the end, in the end, sun goes down and the stars come up, and the world keeps on turning. In the end, I know you couldn't see, but I was there to watch you sleep, and I figured out that you the stew, 'cause they always leave the loser. They always pick a winner, 'cause they always take the good guy. In the end, in the end, sun goes down and the stars come out, and the world keeps on turning in the end.
Torch the moon, burn the schools. She wrote in red on a bedroom wall. Nothing's pure, the paint runs to the floor. She laughs too easily and cries too hard. Shouldn't drink alone, the colors run. How can she forgive when we know well what we do? Feather scratches on her wrist, dry run with a bread knife for a final twist. It wouldn't be for show if it should come to this. She laughs too easily and cries too hard. Shouldn't drink alone, the colors run. How can she forgive when we know well what we do? She was born to feel it all, see it all. And when I feel so lightly, it's still burning brightly, and she won't look away. Torch the moon, burn the schools. Why is it a man making all the rules? Frida Kahlo, poster on her door. She laughs too easily and cries too hard. Shouldn't drink alone, the colors run. How can she forgive when we know well what we do? And when I rising as I walk from your embrace. What I feel is nothing but the taste of you. I get buried in your mouth. I'm falling, I don't care if I can't climb out. Look at the moon, but I see only you. I'm days away, I'm a man in a caravan by the sea, waving at the old folks, waving at me. I'll fall for you when I get on and shake my pride. I'll fall on you. We can do better than I am tonight. Than I am tonight. I'm walking the plank, edging out, see the drop. I take a new step, will you follow or stop? I look back from the ocean beneath to your eyes. To your eyes. I'm rising as I walk from your embrace. What I feel is nothing but the taste of you. Get buried in your mouth. Are we in it together now? I'll fall for you when I get on and shake my pride. I'll fall on you. We can do better than I am tonight. If you've got any doubt, I'll cast them out. I feel you close around me, living for two. And why I'm laughing, I remember for you. I'll fall for you when I get on and shake my pride. I'll call on you. We can do better than I am tonight for you. When I get on and shake my pride, I'll call on you. We can do better than I am tonight. Be strong and you'll get strength back. Than I am tonight. Fire and you'll get warmth back. I'll fall for you when I get on and shake my pride. I'll call on you. We can do better than I am tonight for you. When I get on and shake my pride, I'll call on you. Be strong and get strength back. We made love for an album. Everything went quiet at once. So good to be lying, happy and sane in your arms. I don't care what they do, 'cause being here with you is news to me. Tell everybody the lights are back on. We made civic art under a street light, something for the drivers tonight. Monday's my Sunday, I don't have a thing to do but try and get up while it's still light. I don't care The lights are back on. Yeah, it's new. It's you. Tell everybody the lights are back on. The lights are back on. Accept your rules. Gonna live with myself, for I live with any of you. Well, I was the best, you all knew it. On the days I cared at all. You can all say I blew it. You'll be talking about me for years. I will not go quietly. I will not behave myself. It's not for the sake of fighting, but not for you or anyone else. Well, I was the best, you all knew it. On the days I cared at all. You can all say I blew it. You'll be talking about me for years. I was my own man. Can y'all say that? Yeah, I was my own man. Can y'all say that? Yeah, I was my own man. Yeah, I was the shit. Don't believe in rugby league. I believe in Yoko, John Lennon, The Lost Weekend, and me. And me. Well, I was the best, you all knew it. On the days I cared at all. Now you can all say it, I blew it. You'll be talking about me for years. I was my own man. Can y'all say that? Yeah, I was my own man. Can y'all say that? Yeah, I was my own man. Yeah, I was the shit. I will not go quietly. I will not go quietly. I will not accept your rules. I don't believe in Bondi. I don't believe in rugby league. I will not go quietly. I will not behave myself. I will not go quietly. Not behave myself. I will not go quietly. So you just keep on drinking, and you try to forget how they strung up Joe Byrne to the jailhouse door like a marionette. He was dead for 2 days. I'll tell you no lies. With the press still around him, making their money, shooting postcards of him through the flies. Close your eyes, Kate, I'll sing you to sleep. Close your eyes, your dream will be sweet. Kate Kelly, Kate Kelly, I'm gonna see you sleep. Ned rose up through the mist, a man made of iron, fighting his way to the smoldering inn where Joe and his brother were dying. They had to shoot out his legs, Kate, and if you could sleep, you could forget that they cut off his head, Warden's paperweight. Close your eyes, Kate, I'll sing you to sleep. Close your eyes, your dreams will be sweet. Don't linger around here, may your soul rest in peace. Kate Kelly, Kate Kelly, I'm gonna sing you sweet. Now you do horse tricks in a Wild West show, sharpshooting Kate, the last of the Kellys, now the queen of a rodeo. Was Joe your lover? Did he send you some word? A friend to your brothers all the way to the end, where as brothers in arms they would fall. Close your eyes, Kate, I'll sing you to sleep. Close your eyes, your dreams will be sweet. Kate Kelly, Kate Kelly, I'm gonna sing you to sleep. Kate Kelly, Kate Kelly, I'm gonna sing you to sleep. Just keep on drinking, you try to forget how they strung up Joe Byrne to the jailhouse door like a marionette. Smoke, won't get home at 100 o'clock. Nobody's gonna satisfy me except you and the baby and the color TV. Was always in my prime, now falling over the line. Boy, it's a sad day after letting me go. You got it all to get me home. You quiet me down, been all over the place and I ain't found anyone to keep my feet on the ground. No, can't be bigger than my old habits over my dead body, but still, if I am awake in the morning, the royal in the afternoon, yeah, you better not recover. Do I forever? Do I forever? Forever for you. When they ask me how long I'm gonna love you, if the road to my heart will always stay true, I'll say forever, forever. I'll say forever for you. Once they ask, will I stand right there beside you? And they don't see the way that I will. I'll say forever. I'll say forever. I'll say right there forever for you. Do I always and forever? You. Do I forever? Do I? Do I forever? Forever love you, darling, forever, forever. Forever.
alive. I think about you every minute. I wish that you were mine. Love don't come around here too much anymore. What better reason than this could it be you're waiting for? Oh love, can you hear the night calling out your name? It ain't gonna get much louder. Love, can you hear the night? Listen to my voice and maybe you can feel the fire burning bright. Oh love, can you hear the night calling out your name? It ain't gonna get much louder. Love, can you hear the night? Listen to my voice and maybe you can feel the fire burning bright. Can you hear calling out your name? It ain't gonna get much louder. Love, can you hear the night? But listen to my voice and maybe you can feel the fire burning bright. There's a warm wind and some barbed wire collecting tumbleweeds across the desert fire. There's